You want me to hold the pig?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll hold the pig while you cook.
Frog.
And the frog too?
Two.
I'll hold the frog and the pig and you cook.
Daddy.
Where's the bread?
I
Oh, you found it.
just.
What else do you need to cook? You need chips. And Allie, where are the chips? Did you find them? Oh, more bread. More bread, okay. That's for Allie?
Sure.
Where is Allie? Oh, she's in her crib. Okay. Are you going to put her in her high chair? Okay. All right, and her puppy too. Do you want help?
Yeah.
I think you can do it by yourself.
Each.
You can't reach?
Puppy.
Oh, yeah, put the puppy down.
No.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, good job. Very good job, miss.
Puppy.
You going to feed her a bottle?
Puppy.
Oh, her puppy's going to sit with her?
Yeah.
Okay. Good girl. Oh, goodness. Oh, that's okay. Oh, that's okay.